Hey folks, so quick update on ace-C32. This is sort of another update video on it. This is beta version 2. So just a quick run through all the things. So to run ace-C32, you have to type down run/ace-C32. It's going to ask you if you're sure to run it. Then you say yes. Then you must agree to saying that I am not responsible for any damages to your computer, since this is in development. So you just type down agree dot, and then this one is optional if you want to reset the console. I just do it. So this is C32.beta.2, and I'm just going to show you ace.help. Ace.help includes each and every single one of the instructions that you could run on this. So most of these aren't available, but I do have ace.exit, ace.help, ace.reset console, ace.reset storage, ace.run, and ace.store, and ace.store, and ace.run are the ones that we're going to talk about today. So I fixed a bug in ace.store where it added empty slots to it. So this is the code for ace.store. What it technically does is, so I could just show you guys here, is if I type down ace.store, and parameters are in brackets, so I can just put down in a bracket ace.help, it'll be ace.help. So storage.xafca, which for those of you who don't remember stands for executable application files compatible for ace. Hold on. Hold on. There's something going on here. Okay, so it's not going to respond. Give me a moment. Okay, I made it. So now that we have added ace.help to storage, we could actually run this command by doing ace.run, and it'll actually run the command, as long as and also add a tagline to it saying application has ran successfully. I'm just gonna put these down. For now, so I could expand the console. So yeah, what we could also do is we could actually reset everything under storage. Did that do anything? Maybe I spelled it wrong. Okay, there we go. Now I did something. Okay, so now we could actually do a little something here. So yeah, you could actually add commands to the ace.store command. So and I could delete everything in the console and just add everything to it, which is pretty cool, to be honest. Which is pretty cool, pretty cool. So, to show you guys all the instructions that you could run on this, to show you guys all of it, first things first, when you're logged out of the console, so you're not on Ace, you have show date, which will show you the date, show date and update, which will show the date and update it. Then you have reset, which resets everything except for storage. Then you have reset.storage, which deletes everything in storage. And then there's reset.console, which deletes everything in console. And there's one run/ace-C32. And there's the yes command, the no command, the agree command, and the disagree command. Oh, by the way, all these commands, except for run/ace-C32, end in periods, to be sure. Once you say yes after agreeing, you now have access to ace-C32. So, commands under Ace, it'll start with ace dot and then the command. And you don't need to add and you don't add a extra dot. So yeah. Ace.help shows you each and every single one of the instructions that I might include. Ace.exit just deletes the claimed memory spots and replaces and resets it to the logged out console. Ace.reset console deletes everything under console and adds ace-C32 to the console, just to make sure that you know, you're using ace-C32 instead of the actual console. There's ace.store, which takes every single one of the letters of anything that's within the brackets and then successfully puts it in here. There's ace.run, which runs everything into under storage. And there's ace.reset storage, which deletes everything in storage. There's also at any point, if you want to, you can type down hello and it does a little sneak peek at you. It says hello. At first, for some reason, types down twice that this is not a command compatible for the program, but it also says hello. I wouldn't have typed down that command since it does nothing but make me say this exact caption, which is kind of funny, to be honest. If you use ace.run, it runs everything. It goes under each and every single one of the storage components, like the stuff here. It takes them and it actually it takes them and it actually interacts with them as if you were actually typing down those commands. So yeah, that is basically a rundown of every single thing I have with ace-C32. This is version beta 2, and if you want to see this, there will be a link in the description, so I'll see you there. Bye.